Hello, Cardinals. We're going to be doing investigation 2.2 today, testing models using simulated earthquakes. And our essential question is, how do earthquakes impact different structures? So before we start that, we want to review what we did last week, investigation 2.1. We're going to look at how analyzing data from past earthquakes can help understand future earthquakes, and what are some technologies that can be used to reduce the effects of earthquakes. Today, we are going to be doing some things with structures out of spaghettis and marshmallows and that kind of equipment. And here's an example of a student diagram of what this might look like. You're going to work with your group to plan and carry out an investigation to determine how a multi-story structure will be affected during a simulated earthquake. And these are some questions you're going to want to talk as a group and record in your notebook. And then we're going to be talking about which variables are we going to be looking at, independent and dependent variables. And some possible independent variables include the kind of soil the structure is in, the material used, the force, the height, the design, and the size of the structure. And then as a group, as you determine your independent and dependent variables, you're going to create a data table in your notebook to record the information. So our to-do list today is to complete and label a drawing with measurements in centimeters. You're going to write out the plan, figure out what variables you are changing and what you're going to keep the same and what data you're going to collect. And at the end of your plan, at the end, you will plan out what you think will happen, and this is your claim. And within that, you need to create a data table. All right, so starting to talk about structures and earthquakes. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know, and have a great day, Cardinals.